Hey guys, how's it going? How to add a secondary domain on Bluehost. Of course, first of all, go ahead and sign in with your account, right? And choose your plan by click get started right here and choose the plan and look at the features and accordingly place your payment and start your journey. Next, what you're gonna do, I'm gonna point you back to the website, right? What you're gonna do, first of all, you need to click the hosting tab from the left side navigation menu. If you haven't seen how it looks like already, you're gonna be able to see. Let me show you. Basically, once you're in the dashboard, of course, you're gonna be able to click the hosting button on the left side and then look for quick links and select the C panel, right? Quick links, and then you're gonna see three options. Click the C panel and then scroll down to domains and click the domains icon right here. You're gonna see it, right? And then click manager right next to the domain that you would like to update. So you're gonna see right here you have more than, if let's say for example you have one or more than domain, one domain. Click right here manage right on one of the domains, and under the update the domain, just enter the path to folder you would like to domain to point to right here, and you can update the domain and new document root update that directory where you want the files for this domain to exist, right? And then click the update button to the domain to the specific or specified folder, and once complete you should see the new path reflected. Okay, and you can add and basically manage that. And if you want to add a new domain, you could just register like a new domain into the desired secondary domain name, and then from the managing right here you can create a new domain by clicking the blue button at the top right, and that will help you navigate in following the prompt and adding the new name by buying the new domain name, and then basically you're gonna be able to create your new website if needed. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.